Good day, everyone. This is me, Teacher Sharmina Zareda, your computer teacher. Our topic for today is all about navigating Microsoft Excel 2010 program in your computer devices. In this lesson, you should be able to state the steps in creating and saving a new blank workbook and identify the ways in using the save and save as commands. Excel files are called workbooks. Each workbook holds one or more worksheets, also known as spreadsheets. To create a new blank workbook, click the File tab of your Microsoft window or Excel window. This takes you to Backstage View. Select Blank Workbook. Select blank workbook under available templates. It will be highlighted by default. Click Create a new blank workbook appear on the Excel window. Just select the blank workbook on the default templates that you can see here on the Backstage view of the File tab. After selecting the blank workbook on the Backstage view, as you can see here, this is the spreadsheet that you can use or that can help you in formulating mathematical formulas in Excel computer program. To open an existing workbook, okay, I'm going to show you the steps on how you are going to open an existing workbook using a new file or a new Excel file. First, you're going to select the File tab. After selecting the File tab, as you can see it here, there are different types of files that you have created using the Microsoft Excel program. As you can see here, on the right side corner of your screen, these are the date and the time that you have edited or created the spreadsheet file using the Microsoft Excel program. As we scroll down, there are multiple types of files here. You're just going to select more workbooks for you to be able to scroll more types of Excel programs or spreadsheets that you can open while using another type of file. Okay, for an example, we're going to open one specific file which is training number 3. Okay, let's select the file and let's just wait for it to open. As you can see it here, we've already opened one specific type of file while we are using another type of file. Okay, as you can see it here, this is the another type of file that we have opened using the existing file tab on the existing Excel program that we have opened a while ago. To use the Save As command, you're just going to select the File tab. After selecting the File tab, for you to be able to save your file, select the option Save As. After selecting the option Save As, you are going to select one specific type of folder where you want to save your spreadsheet. For example, you're going to save your spreadsheet or your Excel on the desktop folder. Just select the desktop folder and a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Now, let's look for specifically the desktop folder first for us to be able to be sure that our file will be saved on the desktop folder. Let's select again the desktop folder. After selecting the desktop folder, you can now enter one specific file name or Excel name for your spreadsheet. For example, I'm going to name this spreadsheet as training number 12. After typing the file name of our Excel or spreadsheet, we can now select Save. Okay, as you can see it here on our title area, the file name or the Excel name has changed into training number 12. That is how you are going to save the file inside your computer devices. Okay? As we have saved the file, it also or the name also appears on the title bar area of your Excel window. Cells are the basic building blocks of a worksheet. It can contain a variety of content such as text, formulating attributes, formulas, and functions. Each rectangle in a worksheet is called a cell. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column. As you can see here, these small rectangular shapes is called cells. Okay, cell or cells. To select a cell, click on a cell to select it. When a cell is selected, you will notice that the borders of the cell appear bold. I'm going to zoom in so you can notice on how we are going to select one specific type of cell. Okay? Okay. Now, and the column heading and row heading of the cell are highlighted. There is a border, green border on an active cell if we are going to select it. As you can see it here now on your screen. Release your mouse. The cell will stay selected until you click on another cell, okay, on the spreadsheet. As you can see it here, we can scroll from one active cell into another active cell here inside our worksheet area. You can also navigate through your worksheet and select a cell by using the arrow keys of your keyboard. To select multiple cells, click and drag your mouse until all the adjoining cells you want are highlighted. Okay? If you want to highlight this row or this common row of cells using or you select the first cell, after that, using the left button of your mouse, you're just going to drag it down for you to be able to highlight or to select multiple types of cell on your worksheet as seen on your monitor screen. To insert content, click on a cell to select it. After that, enter content in the selected cell using your keyboard. For example, you want to enter or we're going to enter one specific content here on an empty cell, which is number 3. Okay? The content appears in the cell and in the formula bar. As you can see here, we have entered the content here in our active cell and it is also visible on the formula bar of the Microsoft Excel. Whatever, always remember, whatever content that we are going to enter here on the active cell, it will also be visible or it will also reflect on the formula bar. To delete content within the cell, you're just going to select one specific cell that you want to delete the content and after that select the backspace of your keyboard. But what if you have a lot of content that you want to delete? For example, we're going to sorry, we're going to delete the content of this entire row or entire column, I should say. For us to be able to delete this data in this entire column as one, all you need to do is to select the first data that you want to delete and after that select or the drag I should say sorry drag your mouse down for you to be able to highlight the content that you want to delete. After highlighting specific contents that you want to delete, you're going to select the right button of your mouse and look for the option clear contents. After selecting clear contents, as you can see here, the group of contents here on the specific column has been deleted. That is how you are going to delete a certain group of contents using the Microsoft Excel program. To to copy and paste cell content, select the cell you wish to copy. For example, we're going to copy the content of cell K12. Click the copy command. The border of the selected cell will change appearance. Okay? You're just going to, after selecting one specific cell that you want to copy, select the copy command that you can see here on the clipboard group. After selecting the copy, as you can see, the border has changed. Select the cell or cells where you want to paste the content. For example, we're going to paste the content here on L12. Okay, select cell L12. After selecting cell L12, click the paste button here on the clipboard. As you can see here, we have already copied and pasted the data from K12 or cell K12 into cell L12. That is how you are going to copy and paste data inside the cell in your worksheet. To cut and paste cell content, select the cell you wish to cut. For example, we're going to cut cell L12. Select cell L12, click the cut command. As you can see, the border of the selected cells will change appearance. Select the cells where you want to paste the content. We're going to paste the content again. Click the paste command to cut content. Okay, that is how you are going to move one cell into another type of cell by using the cut and paste command on the clipboard menu. Okay, you're going to select one specific cell first for you to be able to move it into one cell into another by using the cut and paste uh, cut and paste step on the Excel formula. If you want to drag and drop cell, you're going to select one specific type of cell. For example, we're going to select cell L13. After that, position your mouse on one of the outside edges of the selected cell. The mouse changes from a white cross. As you can see, the mouse has changed into a white cross to a black cross with an arrow. Okay, from white cross into a black cross with an arrow. Okay, we're going to drag and drag the cell here. Using the left button of your mouse, press and hold, then drag and drop one specific type of cell. That is how you are going to drop and drag and drop one specific copy of the cell on the entire column of your spreadsheet. These are the different steps on how you are going to navigate the different cells that you can use on your Excel program. This is teacher Sharmina Zaleda, your computer teacher. Goodbye and God bless.